Hi, my name is Huyền Anh. I'm in class E5.1L. Today, I'm going to talk about clean births. We take a shower every day and wash with soap and shampoo. We use a towel to get dry, and we brush our teeth with a toothbrush and some toothpaste. Animals have their own way of staying clean. Some birds take dust baths. They roll on the ground to take off the dirt and insects, and they shake the dust off their bodies. Most birds also use their beaks to get dust and insects out of their feathers. They use oil from their bodies to clean the feathers, too. Birds have about 25,000 feathers, so it's not an easy job. But why they do it? Because it keeps their feathers strong, and the oil stops them from getting wet. Ostriches are birds that like to clean other animals. They live in Tanzania, Africa, and they eat insects from the fur of giraffes. This helps to keep giraffes healthy. Sometimes the ostriches clean the giraffe's ear. They take small pieces of food from between the teeth, too. They also clean other animals like zebras, rhinos, and buffaloes. That's the end of my presentation. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.